What happens when square roots and equations team up? Today, we're going to solve an interesting equation involving a square root that equals 32. At first glance, it looks confusing, but with a smart step-by-step approach, you'll see how simple it really is. Stay tuned, because the solution is shorter than you think. Our question is square root a plus square root minus a is equal to 32. We have to find the value of a. This we can write it as square root of a is equal to 32 minus square root minus a. Now square on both sides we get as square root of a whole square is equal to 32 minus square root minus a whole square. Square root and 2 will be cancelled, then a is equal to 32 minus square root of minus a whole square. This is in the form of a minus b whole square, so a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a is equal to 32 and b is equal to square root of minus a. Substitute the values in the formula. Then we get as a is equal to 32 square minus 2 into 32 into square root of minus a plus square root of minus a whole square. 32 square is 1024 and 2 into 32 is 64, and also square root and 2 will be cancelled, then we get minus a. This minus a goes to left side and becomes a plus a is equal to 2a. Then we get 2a is equal to 1024 minus 64 square root of minus a. Now divide both sides by 2. 2 and 2 will be cancelled out, and 1024 by 2 is 512 and 64 by 2 is 32. Then we get as a is equal to 512 minus 32 square root of minus a. We should rewrite this equation. Now square on both sides. Again, this is in the form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. 32 square is 1024 and 2 into 512 is 1024. Will be cancelled out, and 512 square plus a square is equal to 0. Now a square is equal to minus 1 into 512 square. Now apply square root on both sides. Square root and 2 will be cancelled. A is equal to square root of 512 square into square root of minus 1. Then now a is equal to plus or minus 512i, and I is called the imaginary unit. Now we have found the a value. If you enjoyed this step-by-step solution, please don't forget to like and subscribe.